Hello and welcome. Today is a very special day because I have fan mail and I'm very excited. So thank you. You know who you are. I really appreciate this and I'm so excited to get into it. So let's get into it already. Let's see what's inside. This is sealed really well. Oh my goodness. There's washi tape in here. I just watched an art haul today and she had washi tape and I was like, oh, I want washi tape. Look at, there's washi tape in here. Okay, let's see what they are. Right now, right here. Okay, little teal diamonds, very cute. What is this? Camo maybe? Yeah, kind of camo or just kind of a watercolor washi stuff. Washi. That was funny. Okay, what is this? Oh, beautiful. I want to see what this looks like a little more transparent. That is so cool. The only washi tape I've ever had the opportunity to use is this one. And it was right over there. How handy. And it's a little old, so I kind of have to warm it up for it not to rip when I use it. So this is going to be so nice. Oh, look at butterflies. Oh, that's so cute. I have this thing when I see butterflies, it's just something I made up in my head, but when my mom died, who was also my best friend, my partner in crime, and I see a butterfly, I like to think of that as her checking in on us. So I know it's just made up, but it gives me comfort, and when I see butterflies, that's what I feel. Oh wow, isn't that pretty? Did you know washi tape comes this thick? I guess this one's thick too. It's just, oh, not quite as thick. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, it's trees. Like, is that a cherry blossom tree? I don't really know trees all that well, but that's really pretty. Oh, oops, I just threw it away. Oh my goodness. All the super thin washi tape. These could be so much fun for doing like the lines in your, what do you call those, swatch sheets, your mixing charts. Oh, look at all these colors. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so awesome. This is fun, way too fun. Okay, there's a note in there I will leave until later. And what is this? I want to read the note first, but I'll open this for you guys and then I'll read the note. It's such a cute little package. Oh, how cute. Looks like this might be stickers they did themselves, and I'm keeping it they to be anonymous. That's cute. If so, wow, your art is fun. If this is your art, that's so cool. How fun. And what is this? This looks deluxe. Look at this paper, by the way. It's all dogs and cats. Aw, so cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm nervous to open this. Oh my goodness. So I was told that these are handmade paints, not by the person who sent them necessarily, but handmade paints, and they didn't feel like they were using them in the capacity they should be used, and they wanted to pass them along to me, which is so sweet. Look, they used the blue tack to put them in there. That's great. Oh, they have magnets too, but they must not have stuck very well. I know magnets can be a little iffy. Okay, so we will swatch these out and see what they are, but first I will read the letter to make sure to tell you guys what we have here. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. This is so sweet. Getting mail like this is so awesome. It's like you guys are thinking of me, and that amazes me. It really does. It amazes me because I really love sharing my stuff and my life with you guys, and then when you want to share back, it's, I don't know, it gives me good vibes and good feelings, and just thank you. Thank you. I love it. Oh, cute little bag. Healthy pets are happy pets. Aw, how sweet. Okay, I'm going to read the letter. Be right back. I've gone through the letter, and I think I have it all figured out, maybe. So this row up here plus this one are the handmade watercolors, and those are on an Etsy shop. And then these two paints are Daniel Smith, Rhodonite Genuine, and Quinacridone Coral. And I think these three and these two are Van Gogh paints, and this particular person watched my Rembrandt video about how I need a pink and included this Quinacridone Rose by Van Gogh. And this is apparently the same formulation, just less pigment. So just have to use this in a more concentrated form and it will be the same as the Rembrandt paint. And that is really nice. Dusk yellow. These dust colors are all the rage. Looking forward to trying all of these out. So let's finish this up and then we'll get swatching. So these are Da Vinci down here, these three. This is the UMB Violet. I wonder what that stands for. Ultramarine Blue Violet? Probably. Prussian Blue Green maybe? Or Prussian Blue Green shade? Not sure, but I will find out. And the Naples Yellow Deep. Yeah, we'll just go through the names of these when I swatch them. So let's do that right now. I am starting out with my Etcher sketchbook because it is just so fun to work on. So we are doing the swatching in this back side of the page, which in my opinion, I think it's pretty much the same as the front side. So I think you can use both sides of this. And I was counting the number of pans that I had and using my very thin, very new, new to me, washi tape. And it was so fun. It was so fun to use this, but at the same time, it's like, oh, I'm using up all the purple, but there's plenty of them, and I really wanted to try it out. And it was really fun to have these tiny little washi tape gaps in between my swatches. So I liked that a lot. It was so fun. And did I know what I was doing? Not really, but I tried to measure and make things somewhat even, except for the middle two rows there. You can see that. So let's get into the colors. The first is Da Vinci Naples Yellow Deep, and that is PBR 24. It is staining opaque yellowish brown with excellent light fastness. Next is Da Vinci's Prussian Blue, PB 27 and PG 27. Semi-transparent, that is, high tinting strength, light fast, and permanent. Next we have Da Vinci's Ultramarine Blue Violet. I guess the only one I could find was Ultramarine Violet, which was PV 15. Semi-transparent, low tinting strength, light fast, and permanency are excellent. This next one is the Van Gogh Dusk Green, PBK 11, PG 7, transparent, excellent light fastness. Dusk Violet there, PBK 11, PV 23, transparent, good light fastness. Dusk Pink there, PBK 11, PY 19, transparent, light fast, excellent. Next up is Quinacridone Coral by Daniel Smith, PR 209, light fast, excellent. This one here is Rhodonite Genuine. Pigment is genuine rhodonite, transparent, light fast, excellent. Next is Van Gogh's Quinacridone Rose. That is PV 19, transparent, low tinting, and excellent light fastness. Followed by Van Gogh's Dusk Yellow, PY 128, transparent with excellent light fastness. That's a very pretty color. The next one is a homemade one by Jackman's Mint Shimmer. It is PG 7, semi-opaque. This one up here is Pazuli Red, PR 101, transparent, non-staining, and granulating. This one is Indigo, NB1, organic indigo plant, transparent, minimal graduation, and moderate staining. This one is Caput Mortuum, PR 101, transparent, no staining, no granulation. This one is Silicoi's Potter's Pink, PR 233, synthetic, organic, no other info. This one is Anthracite by the same brand, Silicoi, BK11, PR 101. It's a French mineral. That one is Glow, plant-based medium ochre gold with mica. And there we have all the swatches. They have all dried, and I'm so excited to take the tape off. Isn't that the best part? This tape is not sticky. Like, not at all. Oh, I think I did rip the paper. Look at that. There's a little bit of paper residue. Maybe these aren't as dry as I thought. But when I use this washi tape that I have from scrapbooking all those years ago, I have to be really careful. I have to pull some of the sticky off on my hand and whatnot in order for it not to stick too much. Like this has a lot of stick power and it's kind of scary. So I'm really grateful to have some washi tape that is way more gentle. Look at, oh, it's so nice. I feel so bad using up all this purple, but it was so fun to have washi tape. And I know I've done this before with just my Sharpie and gaps. But I had to try the washi tape. I had to. Feels bad I used up all the purple, but, well, I didn't use it all. There is that much left. I thought it would use it all, but it did not. So life is good, and I can move on. Oh, these colors. The person who sent these to me said that they felt that these were very dark colors, and that's just what they enjoy. But I think they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. So what a good selection. I'm really excited to try something with them. And I'm opening this on, I believe it's day 11 of World Watercolor Month, and the prompt for today is abrupt. So I'm thinking I will do a little watercolor piece with these beautiful colors with the prompt word abrupt, and I have an idea for that. However, before we get started, here's an up close and personal look at these beautiful colors. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. I just like them so much. What do you guys think? Are they gorgeous? Well, anyway, before we get started, I figured I should try some of the bigger washi tape for the outside of my little drawing here, and this is abrupt. As I mentioned, it's a car crash, and this washi tape seemed like a good fit for this. And I almost never use a flat brush, like never. So I challenged myself this time to use one of the flat brushes that I received on my Mexico retreat. I'll link that video in the corner in case you missed that. And it was really fun. It's super fun to use a flat brush. I encourage you to try that out occasionally on your paintings. If you're always a round brush user like me, try the flat brush. It just gives you a whole new perspective of painting, and I really enjoyed it. So you can see once in a while I keep flipping back to the previous page in my Etch a Sketchbook where I have the swatch sheets so that I can double check my colors, see what I want to use. I did not use very many colors in this, but the person who gave this to me is right. The indigo is so gorgeous. This is a beautiful indigo color. I really, really loved it. And I mixed that with the yellow occasionally, and I think the Prussian blue to get some of the shadows in this car crash scene. And I loved using this flat brush. I know I've said it, and I know, but trust me, try it. It's fun. It really is. It's fun. Anyway, here is my crash painting. I don't know. I had fun doing this. I really like painting, period. So what do I know? I don't know. Just enjoy the process of painting, especially when it's a gift from somebody, and a gift that is so generous. So this is the second gift I've received from you viewers, and I'm just overwhelmed. Thank you so much. These paints are fun to work with. I cannot wait to try them out with some more paintings and try some of the different colors. This painting was really fun. Using the Etch a Sketchbook always makes things so much easier. You can blend, you can almost let things dry, and then you're like, wait, go back, fix, and fix it. And I just enjoyed the whole day. I thought that these colors might be challenging to do a painting with, but they weren't at all. I thought maybe I needed a brighter yellow when I first started, but I didn't. This yellow is plenty bright, and the indigo makes a perfectly good dark. I mixed it once, I think, with Kaput Mortuum to make it even darker, and I just had so much fun. This was so fun. I only used 5 of the paints though, so I definitely need to use these some more and see what I think, because on these swatches these colors are so beautiful. They're so beautiful, especially these. Wow, the dusk yellow, all of these are so pretty. And that indigo, like, yeah, they were right when they said it was their favorite indigo. That's just really pretty, and it worked really well for my darks on this painting. So thank you for joining me thank you. You know who you are who gave these to me. I'm so excited and I can't wait to keep using them. I wish I had more of me, more of time in my life, because I would just explore these never ending. I just think they're really, really fun. What a great selection. What a great selection of colors. And this mint shimmer, oh, so pretty. Apparently that is a cheap alternative to Daniel Smith's Fuchsite Genuine. So I can't wait, but oh, look at the granulation in these three. They're so pretty. So yes, this was so much fun. If it weren't World Watercolor Month and I was trying to do the Himi Mia use it up as much as possible, I would just play with these a lot more. So these are going into my watercolor drawer and I will keep playing, maybe put them in my supplies list, but I'd like to get them out more than they would be in just my supplies list. So there is that. This washi tape came up quite a bit, like I would put it down and it would start to pop up, so I would just run over it with my finger and push it back down, and then it worked really well and it came up beautifully, so no even trying to tear the paper. So that was really nice, and I'm so excited to have so much more washi tape. This is great. And these, all of these, oh, all of these. And this is a Doomsayer Designs, apparently, original, which I probably already told you guys, but I did see that in the letter. Aw, well, thank you so much. What a treasure, what a treat. When you said they were handmade watercolors that you just didn't use a whole lot, I thought maybe that they would be hard to use or something like that, but they're not. They're great. I mean, I know I didn't use them all, but I will. And the ones I did use, the indigo, I used a little bit of the Caput Mortuum and a little bit of the glow for the handmade ones, and then Naples yellow. I don't know. This was fun. This was fun. Watercolor painting is fun. So thank you for such a generous gift. I feel so blessed that you thought of me. Thank you, thank you. And I will see you guys in the next video for World Watercolor Month. Take care. Bye for now. Oh my goodness. All this. So this is the I did see that in the letters. I can't keep dropping it. Oh, such cool paints. Oh, look, there's a magnet. I don't remember that there before. So much fun. So much fun. So much fun. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Wait. Look at them. Ooh. All right. I'm tired. So, yeah. Thanks for putting up with me. I probably already said goodbye. Oh, but they're so pretty. I don't want to say goodbye to them yet. I want to keep playing. All right, I'm going to have to do a painting that uses some of these other colors, like especially that one. Oh, yeah. And all these four. I could see a landscape with these four colors right here, especially in the style that the Mind of Watercolor, Steve, over there does. He would put those to good use. And this Prussian blue, I thought I used that Prussian blue, did I not? I think I did. I think that was the color that I used and diluted for the background. Cool. I used it. Okay, well, bye for reals. Bye-bye. 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 Why are you still here? Bye. Love you guys. Bye.